Hello, I'm Mark McKleroy, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely magnificent 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. A 65 Ford Mustang Coupe was my first classic car I've ever owned. Over all the years of collecting magnificent cars, I've only had maybe one or two Mustang Coupes. You typically don't find them in the condition that we like to find cars in. Most of the cars are just mediocre at best. So finding a highly restored first generation Mustang Coupe is not an easy task. When I came across this particular vehicle, I had to jump on it immediately. It was an outstanding example of a Mustang Coupe. This particular car spent its whole life down south until recently. It was a two-owner car until it recently was sold to the third owner, and the car was purchased by the second owner in the 80s. He was an MCA Gold Card Judge. He did a nut and bolt concourse factory correct restoration to this car. Every single screw was turned, and he painted it in the original color combination of the Raven Black with the red trim. The body work, the paint, the engine detail is beyond belief. The undercarriage is also highly detailed. This has got to be one of the highest award-winning cars in history. It has over 16 MCA Gold awards. 3 of those were at the Grand National level. It's won AACA First Prize multiple times. It's won Best of Show. There's tons and tons of awards. There's a lot of original documentation. It's just a car that I'm super proud of that you got to check out. For a complete description with tons of photos, please visit our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start the car and let you listen to how beautiful it runs. Like a brand new car. Absolutely spectacular.